7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Oh, that's a deep one. Oh yeah. Come on, catch the rut. There we go. No. Yeah, it's a little inconsistent there. We'll manage. Rally car! He's gonna beach in that.
I can see how you DB'd a tire. Holy shit.
Yeah, this is a bit tough. Oh, nice. That's actually, for that corner, that wasn't bad.
That was nice.
It's really rutted and that's icy there. Yeah, ice here too. Okay. Bump. Yeah, I'm braking for that. I'm not
Overcrest.
I'm not braking my damn car. Oh damn, I went in third. I lost a lot of speed there. Sitting in third. Holy shit, that's damn it, catch the rut. Can you get it? No, no.
Oh, come on.
Well, it's not pretty, but it's not bad.
Oh, nicely held on the inside.
Oh, come on. Got it. I don't know how I meant to do that, but we got it. There's a rock right there. One second again. Fuck you. Come on. Shit. In and out of that damn rut. The grip's tricky in here.
Come on.
Oh. I don't know if I hit those or not.
That's a tough line there.
Yeah. A little overconfident about how much grip I was going to get. Oh yeah, man.
That is very icy. Oh, is that tarmac underneath?
Yeah.
Oh.
What the hell? That's nice. Oh,
that
was the bottom. Here we go. Oh, ice again.
Oh, someone right up there.
That was a rally car.